Welcome! I'm Max, and today we'll be taking a look at the SoulsLike Combat Core pack.
Unlike monolithic controllers, this asset focuses on clean architecture, separation of concerns, and developer freedom. It works out of the box with simple geometry, but is ready to be integrated with your own models, animations, and gameplay rules.
This package provides a modular player controller, state machine, stamina and iframe system, camera follow/orbit, and a Souls-style lock-on system, all built to be animation-agnostic and fully extensible.
Now we'll see how to prepare everything. So, to get started, we need to import the package itself.
As you can see, a new SoulsLike Combat Core folder will be added within your project. We can navigate to the Scene folder to open the demo. In the scene, we can see a sort of geometric elements that correctly represent the figure of the player and the three red objects that would be the enemies. If we now press the play button and select the player and the object hierarchy view, we can appreciate gizmos that represent the parameter adjustable radius for enemy targets.
Another point to consider is that the logic for walking, running, jumping, attacking, and rolling will already be fully programmed using the state machine. You can modify the stats as you like from the scripts to adapt it to your playstyle.
Now we'll see how to configure the lock-on system to target enemies. We'll select the enemy from the scene's object hierarchy, and we must ensure that the lock point is correctly assigned. Additionally, the player object must also have enemies assigned as a target layer. If these layers don't exist, we'll need to create them.
Let me quickly set up the scene in layers. In the meantime, I'll speed up the video a bit.
Now, if we test the scene, for example by middle-clicking the mouse, we can target the enemy. By default, the player will always target the nearest enemy, and if there are multiple enemies, we can switch between them using the mouse wheel. The player will automatically rotate the camera.
We will have all the prefabs you saw in the demo scene available to facilitate the creation of new scenarios, as well as all the scripts, including the state machine, to add new content or modify it to your liking, according to your playstyle. This is just the beginning.
I hope you enjoyed the content. Follow me for more information in the future, and thank you so much for your support. See you next time.